Renovate with clarity, not doubt. Most families think a renovation starts when demolition begins and the tools show up. But honestly, our work starts long before that. It starts with a conversation. The first thing we do is sit down with the family and listen. We want to understand what they're hoping to accomplish. Maybe it's a kitchen renovation, maybe it's a bathroom, maybe it's a full home remodel. Before we talk about construction, we want to understand how the family lives, what isn't working today, and what they hope their home will feel like in the future. Once we have that conversation, we begin with something very important, the 2D layout. This is where we study the home's existing floor plan. We look at walls, windows, doors, traffic flow, and how the space can function better for the family. This gives us a foundation before we move into the next step. Then we begin building the budget. And one thing we strongly believe in is transparency. We don't want families to simply receive a final number. We want them to understand where that number comes from. That's why our budgets are broken down step by step. Demolition, plumbing, electrical, framing, drywall, insulation, painting, flooring, finishes, and every phase required to complete the project. The goal is simple. Give families clarity before construction begins. After that comes one of the most exciting parts of the process, selections. This is where the project starts feeling personal. Families share their ideas, inspiration photos, styles, and preferences. For a kitchen, that may include custom cabinetry, lighting, faucets, sinks, countertops, appliances, and much more. We work closely with our suppliers to help families find options that fit both their vision and their budget. Because our goal isn't just to choose beautiful materials. Our goal is to help families make confident decisions. The same process happens in bathrooms. Tile selections, vanities, toilets, medicine cabinets, sconces, faucets, and all the details that bring the space together. Depending on the size of the project, we organize every selection so the entire home feels cohesive and intentional. Once we have the layout, the budget, and the family's final selections, we move into one of the most exciting phases of all, the render. And that's exactly what you're seeing in this video. This is where we begin building the project digitally. We measure everything carefully, inch by inch, door by door, window by window, cabinet by cabinet. Every detail matters, because even a small adjustment can completely change how a space feels. As the render develops, we begin adding the family's actual selections, the cabinets, the colors, the lighting, the finishes, the appliances, and all the details that will eventually become part of their home. Little by little, the family begins to see their future space come to life, and that's powerful. Because before construction begins, they can already understand how the project will look and feel. We can still make adjustments, move cabinets, modify layouts, change colors, refine ideas, and make better decisions with confidence. Because it's much easier to make changes during design than after construction has already started. Eventually, we arrive at the final render. The kitchen, the bathrooms, the living spaces, the laundry room, and every area included in the project. The goal is simple. We want families to be able to walk through their future home before we build it, because we believe clarity creates confidence, and when families understand the process, understand the budget, and can visualize the final result, the entire renovation experience becomes much less stressful. Now let me ask you something. Wouldn't it feel more comfortable to fully see your project before making such an important investment in your home?